Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. Today we shall study science chapter, that is adaptation for survival in animals part 1 for grade 4. My dears, in this class you will be able to learn what is adaptation, adaptation for protection, adaptation according to habitat, adaptation according to the food. Adaptation. All animals cannot live in all climatic conditions. Animals need to develop different features to adjust to their surroundings and improve the chances of survival. This ability of animals to adjust to the surroundings is called adaptation. In general, we can define adaptation as the ability of the animals to get adjust to the surroundings for the chances of survival is called adaptations. My dears, as we all know that each and every thing or non-living thing which is present on this earth has got some modifications or some adaptations for themselves to grow in climatic regions where they are living so that they can improve the chances of survival. This is what the adaptation means. Now today in this session we shall just learn what are the adaptations that are made in plants. We have learnt in previous class, but here we shall just learn in animals. That is, what are all the adaptations that are made in animals for themselves to live in a climatic conditions where they are living, or some modifications whichever are made in the animals for themselves to grow in regions where they are surviving. Yes, my dears, I'll tell you once again that in general what is adaptation means. Adaptation is the ability of animals to adjust to the surroundings for their chance of survival is called as adaptations. Factors that influence the adaptations are like habitat, food and protection. What are the factors which influence the adaptations are habitat, food and protection. My dears, we shall just learn what are the influences that are influenced on the adaptations for survival in animals briefly. The animals that adapt to their habitat or environment to survive. The animals that adapt to their habitat or environment to survive. Animals that unable to adapt move to some other suitable places or die or slowly become extinct. My dears, I can give a very closer example to you so that you can understand this very easily. If you are living in an area which is very comfortable to you, what will you do is you start staying there itself. But once when you feel uncomfortable or when the surrounding climate is not suitable for you peoples to live, what will you do is you just move on to other places, or later on you just move on with the other areas. Likewise, these animals are also getting adaptations by these conditions. For example, adaptation for protection. What are the adaptations that are made in animals for themselves to protect from their enemies? That is, animals are hunted and eaten by other animals. So, they need protection from their enemies in their surroundings. As we discussed before, whenever we feel uncomfortable or when we feel some scare on the region where we are living by other peoples, we just leave our home or the street where we are living and we just go on some other side. Here similarly, animals are hunted and eaten by other animals. As we all know that some animals eat plant and grass, but some animals eat other animals for their food. These animals which eat other animals kill the other animals, so the animals protect themselves. Some animals define themselves with shells and spines. Some animals, what they have got modified themselves is they have grown themselves shells and spines. What are these shells? Is a hard protective layer which is present on the tortoise is known as shell, where this shell is very hard and it cannot break up by any other things in this. So next thing is spines. Spines are modified in porcupine animal. so
And
that
now
other
we shall
animals
just
whichever
discuss
are
more
hunting,
example for
whichever
which
are trying to hunt them,
modify
they'll kill
themselves
them
to get
or they'll
protected
protect themselves
from their
with the help of
enemies.
these shells and
Some examples,
spines.
not
Not
only
only these
these
adaptations
tortoise
are
and
made in animals,
crocodile,
but still some
but
other
some other
adaptations
things
are made in
like
bees and wasps. What
have
are the
strings.
adaptations
They
that are
use
made in
their
bees and
strings
wasps
to
for
inject
themselves to protect from
poison
enemies
into
is
bodies of
animals
their
such as
enemies,
bees and
where
wasps
they protect
have
themselves by
strings.
injecting
They
their
use their
poison
strings to
to the
inject poison into bodies of their
enemy's
enemies.
body,
These
so
things
that
what they do is
enemy's body will leave
they
their
protect themselves by inserting poison to the enemies. As they are not so big animals, they are very small animals, so that if their enemy might be larger or bigger than them, but what they protect, how they protect themselves is they just use their strings which helps them to inject the poison. Body color of animals like parakeet, zebra, chameleon and polar bear blend with surroundings. They confuse their enemies and escape. This is called as camouflaging. Camouflaging. What this is called as camouflaging. As we all know that chameleon is an animal which changes its color whenever it is necessary for it to protect itself from the enemies. What this chameleon do is, if it is in the plant, what does that do is it changes its color into green. If it is in a soil, it changes its color into cream color, so that by this it helps chameleon to protect itself from the enemies, and they confuse the enemies whichever are trying to attack them. Not only that chameleon, but some other animals like parakeet, zebra and polar bear bend themselves. Chameleon can change its body color according to its surroundings, as we have discussed before. That is, wherever it is present, it can change its color into that surrounding colors. Yes, my dears, polar bears. White fur blends with the snow. As we all know that polar bear is an animal which is living in Himalayan ranges or snowy areas, where snow is also white in color. Polar bear is also white in color, which helps the polar bear to protect them from their enemies, which helps with polar bear is having white fur which helps it to protect itself from enemies. Animals like whale and elephant are huge to be eaten by predators. Animals like whale and elephant are huge. We all know that these animals are the largest animals, where elephant is the largest land living animal living on the land, and the whale is the largest aquatic animal, which are very huge, so that their predators are huge to be eaten by predators. They feel predators whenever attack them, they feel huge to eat them. Animals like deer and fish move very fast to escape from their predators. Animals like fish and deer move fast to escape from their predators, where their predators are nothing but the animals which are going to eat the other animals, where animals like fish and deer are having very fast movement, so that helps them to move from their predators. Some animals mimic and other animals for protection. For example, moth caterpillar defends itself by mimicking a snake. Mimic to do something. It means that what does this caterpillar or moth do is they pretend themselves, they act like a snake, so that other animals will get afraid of these kind of animals and they move far away from these type of animals. This is how animals like moth and caterpillar defend itself by mimicking like a snake. Yes, my dears, I hope all of you understood what are all the adaptations that are made in plants for themselves to protect themselves from the enemies or the attackers who are attacking them. Thank you.